Hi everyone, I'm Amy Oslager. Today I'm going to show you a new feature in Unplugged that allows visitors to cast to their screens to the Vimeo panel. So I'm going to go to Unplugged. When I go there, I'm going to notice that there is a new button here that allows me to webcast. When I touch that, I have the ability to enable webcast. When I click on that, it then brings up the initialization, and then it gives me directions. I'm going to go to www.unplug'd.app. I'm going to enter in the ID. When I do that, then it'll actually ask me to enter in a passcode. Once I've done that, I am able to cast my screen to this Vimeo panel.